Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here, and today we are going to talk about the best alternatives for Semrush. So the first one is Uber Suggest, and if you search on Google, Uber Suggest, it will open this link neilpatel.com, and if you click on it, it will take you right over here. So what it does, it's a keyword tool search, like how many people are searching which keyword. What is keyword? If I want to search accordingly my games, so the new one is Assassin's Creed, just say for this tutorial base. So I'm just gonna write Assassin's Creed Valhalla or something like that. So we can see which keyword showing more traffic on it, so that our domain, our SEO will be the best competitor on top of Google searches. Interface. So as you can see over here, it's an interface for Uber Suggest, and obviously, if you go ahead and click on it, you can change it accordingly. The different like region and countries, I guess. So you can just click on it and it will change it. You can see here domain overview. Imagine being able to reverse engineer your competitors' SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing strategy. Top SEO pages, I think they will show only 10, maybe, or maybe 100. I don't really know, like, I don't really remember. So, so yes, you can actually do a search by domain, or you can actually do a search by keywords. So we're gonna start with the first thing, which is gonna be keyword. And so let's say I'm in programming and web development. So one of the biggest keyword that we use is JavaScript. So we are going to right here JavaScript, and you will see it will show multiple keywords and CPC, cost per click per cost, sorry. So you can see everything over here. You can see the volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and obviously cost per click, CPC. So if we scroll down over here, you can see that it's saying that upgrade to see history with keyword data. So you can also take sign in and 7-day free trial. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. And you can see over here we have the volume is like 246,000, and CPC 1.97 PD and SD. So you can see over here they are showing like the latest keywords which are in use right now. So if you click on view all keywords, you can see I guess it's 100 or 20, not 100, I guess it's 20, I guess, I don't know. So but it's enough. So you can set everything accordingly, like you can set keyword filters if you want. You can see the CPC, how you can want to see that. SEO difficulty, if you want to go ahead and do that. And you can set the volume actually, so you can do that also. You can see here over suggestions, related questions, preposition comparison. If you want to do a comparison, you can also do that. Like you can see over here different keywords and everything. So it's a like it's a basic thing like SEMrush, but it's way better. Obviously SEMrush cost a lot, so that's why. And if you want to go ahead and see their plan and pricing, you can see over here 12 USD per month, uh, 20 USD for per month, and 40 USD for per month. It depends on how many domains you are using, 100 searches per day. So this is all depend how you want to start. Like, so as compared to SEMrush, it's way better with plans also. So yeah. So the next keyword search tool we are going to talk about is the Hoth. So it's very easy to use, and obviously it has no extra charges. So it's a very good tool. And if you go ahead and search the Hoth, just listen to this carefully and see this. So that way you know how to get through everything. So and you can see over here like a free Google keyword planner. You can also go ahead and click from here. Otherwise, if you accidentally click over here and you will end up over this page, go ahead and scroll down. Right at the bottom you can see these are some like headings over here, and under resources headings you can see keyword tool. Just remember resources and keyword tool. Click on it and it will take you right over here. So first of all, it's a free search tool, and if we scroll down from here you can see how to use this tool. And you can see over here each keyword comes with variable data like keyword search volume, obviously, computation, the result of each keyword, and cost per click, and trending up or trending down. So it's very easy, and it's first of all it's like free. So everything you will see over here it's genuine, and obviously some people say that it's very similar to Semrush. So every keyword is very like similar to Semrush, so there's no difference most of the time. So what are we going to do? Like we are going to search, obviously. So we are going to search about like graphic designer. So we can go, sorry, you can go ahead and search this graphic designer. And I'm not a robot, continue to keyword. And if we scroll down over here you can see at the top that graphic designer. And if you see over here, like you can see it's US based keywords, sorry. If we click on it you can see we can go ahead and do as Canadian and England and Australia. So you can do also that. And you can see its keyword graphic designing, and 0.24 94 keyword difficulty index, number of results, cost per click 3.45, search volume 33,100. So and now we scroll down, you can see there are a lot of like keyword search tool over here, and you can select them easily. And if we see over here you can also export it for CSV. You might need Excel, Microsoft Excel, for to open this all. And you can also download it for PDF. If we see from view more result how many it has shown, you can see it's 100. So 50 in first page and 50 on the second page. So it's a lot, and it's free first of all, so which is very like easy to use. And that's it. This is all you need to know about like what are the best alternatives for Semrush. And I believe this website is way ahead of their time, and the hot. Please go ahead and search it for yourself. I hope it will help you, and I hope you understand what I've tried to say. Leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.